This is a video for the home screen only for the purpose of allowing you to change your units if you want different units. If you select the type, gas volume and gas mass, SCFM and CF, anything with an S is standardized volume units turned to mass for a particular STP, and the STP of our meters is 20 degrees C and 1 atmosphere, 760 millimeters of mercury. And so that's the STP. This S implies the density of 20 degrees C of whatever material is. If I try to change the units to normal cubic meters per hour, then the display totalizer will be in normal cubic meters. So NM3. So that's this one, different than M3, normal meters 3. So these are for the display. You can either have the number of decimal points on the rate here. This is for the line 3. I would usually select pressure and temperature unless you want to spy on the frequency or you care about the current. You can look at one of those as the third line. Purpose of this is for a multivariable flow meter. We have this 17, and this is most for SCFM. If you're doing QM, then your units will be of mass. Mass, this is such as tons or pounds or kilograms. These are, the kilo is a happy unit. More people in the U.S. should be using that. Kilos. So kilograms per minute. This is a nice mass unit. And then you'd collect in kilograms for the total. So that's it for the home screen.